my channel. So today we're gonna do an at-home workout, and I want to tell you guys a little bit about my trainer who has helped me get my body back into shape. All of last year, I probably worked out a total of like 3 times. I was traveling so much, I was just eating on the road, and my body really started to show it. So earlier this year in January, I decided to sign up for training sessions with Mike at my gym. And obviously the quarantine messed us up a little bit, so I have been doing FaceTime sessions with Mike, and these workouts have really transformed my body, so I decided to get together with Mike and share some home workout with you guys. And if you're interested, I can leave his information down below so you can learn more about doing FaceTime training sessions with Mike as well. So before we get into it, I do want to give a quick shout out to Thrive Societe. They did gift me with this whole workout set and also this super cozy t-shirt. It actually fits like a sweater. It's super loose. It feels like you're wearing air, and everything is super high quality but also affordable. So I'm going to go ahead and link all of their information down below. I know it's probably time for you to get some new athleisure, so go ahead and do that right now. And with that being said, Mike is calling me, so let's go ahead and get right into it. And with that being said, Mike is calling me, so let's go ahead and get right into it. Hi.
Ready. I just got my Olympia shirt on.
Oh, that's cute. Okay, so walkout planks, and then show me what I do with my hips again.
Okay, when you get down to the plank, where you're on your elbows, roll your hip like you're touching the floor. Hip rolls.
Okay.
And then back up. 1, 2. Back up. Back straight, baby girl. Oh, I see why you did the camera like that. So they wouldn't see. I won't see you bend your leg.
No.
Good. Now lay on your back. Lay down. I want you to do a single leg hip fire. Now 1 foot down, 1 leg straight in the air, arms down beside you. Trust that heel, get your whole hip and butt on the floor. There you go. After 5, now next 5, 1, 2, hold. 1, 2, hold. 1, 2, down. 1, 2, down. 1, 2, down. Switch.
I'm already starting to sweat.
Okay, hold. 1, 2, down. 1, 2, down. 3 more. 1, 2, down. 1, 2, down. 1, 2, down. Now blast 10 more together.
Am I thrusting?
Yep. Down. Blast. That's it. 5 more fast. Rush that blood and good. Now cross your knees. Keep your feet in the air. You can go right to a core exercise.
This way?
Okay, like that, exactly. Now push your hands behind your head. That left elbow meets that right knee.
This way.
Okay. Get up, reach up like you sit up, try to touch that knee.
Hold on, let me check in on my fat.
There you go. Breathe. Want to exhale as you go up to the right. Exhaling up, inhaling down. As you're going into the sit-up, exhale, inhale on the negative. Back down. I want to repeat this anywhere from 15 to 30 reps each side. Breathing plays a big role in delivering oxygen to the muscle as you're tearing. Okay? Superstar, other side is jealous.
Alright, how many did I do?
Did 30.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. more. 5 more. 5 more. Good. Now.
My abs are on fire.
Next one is another core. Lay flat again. Okay, lock your knees straight. Ready?
Yeah.
You know what you're gonna do?
No.
Climb those legs. Touch them feet. Or use your legs to pick up. Use your legs to climb up your leg.
Like that.
With
both legs up?
Both of them. Use it and climb up until you touch your feet. So like you're climbing a tree. Climb your legs with your hands. Pull, grab, there you go. Pull on your legs, like pull yourself up, body up in the air. There you go.
Oh my God.
Yes, keep those legs straight. Climbing. Whatever you want is on the top of that cliff. You gotta get to that toe, that's the cliff. You wanna win that prize? Get it. Conquer them goals, that's it. Only person that can beat you is yourself. Get up there.
Oh my God, I really feel it.
5 more. Two legs straight, pull yourself up. Use your legs to climb. So grip each leg, each side, and pull yourself up. There you go. Or turn it over, back on all fours. A forward dog position.
Okay.
Come forward. Okay, one knee off the floor. Now I want you to roll your hips like this.
Okay.
Okay?
Like that.
Good.
I'm still sore from like 2 days ago, so I really feel that.
Uh-huh. Don't let your knee hit the floor. Keep it off the floor.
Is that right?
You want to do at least 15 to 20 on each side. Five more.
Okay.
All right, now that's the first series, the first circuit.
So we repeat everything.
That's right. Glutes, hamstrings, and core. So you want to repeat that.
Okay guys, so that was the first set and we're gonna repeat this 2 more times. You're gonna do 3 rounds total with all the numbers that Mike gave you.
Now we're starting the next series of 4 different exercises. So we already went through 3 rounds with the first circuit. Now we switch the circuit and repeat another 4 exercises. Okay? Each rep count again, depending on the person and the fitness level, is anywhere from 15 to 30 reps. Alright? So this next exercise in the start of the new circuit is a single reverse lunge with a front kick. There you go. Now take one foot back, whichever leg you want to start with. Lunge. Now bring it all the way forward with a front kick. If you're kicking somebody in front.
Straight leg or bent leg?
That's right, straight leg.
Okay. 1.
Good. 3. So this is a prison single reverse lunge to a front kick. This is glutes, hamstring, quads, and obliques. Again, depending on the fitness level, you want to do anywhere from 15 to 30 reps. All right, just hit the other side.
Okay.
You're always going to exhale as you're raising that leg. Hands over your head, prison style. Remember, when you keep your hands over your head, it forces your posture. Correct. Posture, you keep your head up, looking up, shoulders back, core tight. Now, we're going to work those inner thighs. That's right, so take a wide stance. Wide stance, Pump your feet outwards, 45 is right there. Okay? Now I want you to go all the way down. Bounce back up. Lower. Good. Okay, there you go.
And how many of these?
15 to 30. Got it. Put your hand on the wall. Kick out.
Got it.
That's right. Stretch it all the way up as high as you can. It's always the same rep count, 15 to 30, depending on your level. Squeeze that. You can also, if you have a dumbbell, if you have a weight, a resistance band, you can put it on your ankles and use that for resistance.
Okay, what's next? We have one more.
Okay. Skipper squat.
All right.
Jump and rotate 360 degrees.
Okay.
That's your rotating 360 degrees all the way around. That completes one rep. That's what. Guys, again, you want to do this for at least 15 to 20. This is the burnout. This is the killing.
I'm burned out.
Okay.
Well, thank you, Mike.
Thank you, Lisa.
So that was intense as always. If you guys worked out with me and enjoyed this workout, go ahead and comment down below. I'm gonna try to keep these more user-friendly, but I just wanted to show you guys how FaceTime workouts do work with a trainer, and it's an incredible way to have someone hold you accountable for your workouts, because I know right now we just need that person pushing you and motivating you, and Mike is really good at that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video.